Part 10, Supermarket, Shopping Mall, Cinema and Gym English Conversation. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm so happy you're here again. Today we're going to practice English for places that many people visit every week. We'll learn how to speak English in a supermarket, shopping mall, cinema, and gym. These conversations are simple, practical, and useful in everyday life. So, relax, listen carefully, repeat every sentence after me, and speak with confidence. Let's begin. Lesson 71, Supermarket Conversation. Imagine you're shopping in a supermarket. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for rice. It's in aisle number 5. Thank you. Do you have fresh vegetables? Yes. They're over there. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Now repeat the conversation. Excellent. Lesson 72, Shopping Mall Conversation. Imagine you're at a shopping mall. Hello. Welcome. Can I help you? Yes. I'm looking for a pair of shoes. What size do you wear? Size 8. Please try these on. They fit perfectly. Do you have another color? Yes. We have black and brown. I'll take the black pair. Thank you. Enjoy your shopping. Repeat again. Excellent. Lesson 73, Cinema Conversation. Imagine you're at the movie theater. Hello. I'd like 2 tickets, please. Which movie would you like to watch? The adventure begins. What time is the show? It starts at 7 p.m. Would you like regular or premium seats? Regular seats, please. Here are your tickets. Thank you. Enjoy the movie. Thank you very much. Now repeat everything. Lesson 74, Gym Conversation. Imagine you're visiting a gym. Hello. Welcome to our fitness center. I'd like to join the gym. Certainly. Do you have any previous experience? Yes, a little. Would you like a monthly or yearly membership? A monthly membership, please. Here's the registration form. Thank you. Our trainer will help you today. That's great. Thank you. Excellent. Lesson 75, Daily Vocabulary. Today's words. Supermarket. Supermarket. Aisle. Aisle. Membership. Membership. Ticket. Ticket. Trainer. Trainer. Exercise. Exercise. Fitness. Fitness. Customer. Customer. Repeat after me. I need a shopping bag. I have a gym membership. I'd like 2 movie tickets. The supermarket is very busy today. Wonderful. Lesson 76, Pronunciation Practice. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Supermarket. Membership. Exercise. Fitness. Cinema. Customer. Shopping. Trainer. Excellent. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Lesson 77, Listening Practice. Now just listen. Last Saturday, I went to the supermarket to buy groceries. After shopping, I visited the mall and bought a new pair of shoes. In the evening, I watched a movie with my friends. The next morning, I joined a gym to improve my fitness. It was a busy but enjoyable weekend. Now answer. Where did the speaker buy shoes? At the shopping mall. What did the speaker do the next morning? Joined a gym. Excellent. Lesson 78, Speaking Confidence. Repeat after me. I enjoy speaking English. I can communicate with confidence. I ask questions politely. I understand English better every day. I am becoming more fluent. I practice every day. I believe in myself. Success comes through practice. Fantastic. You're improving with every lesson. Congratulations. You've completed part 10 of our English speaking practice series. Thank you for learning with me today. I'm proud that you stayed until the end. Remember, every new word you learn and every sentence you speak makes you more confident. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start speaking English today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create more free English lessons, daily conversations, vocabulary practice, pronunciation exercises, listening activities, and real-life English speaking sessions. In the next lesson, we'll practice English at school, college, library, classroom, and presentation skills, helping you speak confidently in academic situations. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.